What's going on, guys? Nathan here. Today I'm gonna bring back another video on Minecraft. And here's the world. So here I've built out some few things here. I did get the coal in here, so I'm pretty hungry. Do not have food. Oh no! And I put this here, then here, put that back, and then here, and then let's explore this thing. As you can see, I got a few haircut. Let's get 1,000. Let's get 1,000 likes, and I'm gonna vlog. Someone joined the game. Hey, who is this? Hey, you. Hey. Shensang. Wait, I'm gonna talk to her. Shensang, saan ka pupunta? Tumingin ka kaya sa likod mo. Andun ako eh. May bahay ako dyan. Sundan mo ako. Oo. So now, this is my brother Chester, and he's gonna follow me. Like this, and the that, and the that. It's getting pretty laggy. Oh no. He's slow. I don't know what this is gonna do. Put there. Put my side over here. Put my side. And then, okay. Let's get this. Wait, I'm gonna talk to him. Cheyenne! Wala pa akong isang bed, maghanap ka ng shift flow. Sword, oh. Craft kita. Magka-craft kita. Okay. Oh, so this is my brother Chester. Say hi.
Hi.
Here is your sword. Here is my sword.
Palaw tayo?
Hindi, magkaiba.
Tignan mo. Oh.
Ayaw niya sakit sa'yo. Ito. Panghahanap kita. Ne.
Nasaan ka? Ako na lang bumabatang sa ano mo na.
Oh God, it's raining. Pasok na tayo sa yan. Umuulan. Okay, so let's. Okay, so now I don't know what to do because she has no bed.
Papatay mo ko? Ruben, maliligo na lang ako sa ulan, kuya. Ito, baboy. Baboy. Yan.
Oh.
Nagkaklap ako. Kulay red to.
I do not have some bones.
Bala ko dyan. Ako patay na akong baboy.
I'm gonna kill this one.
Ikaklap ko nito. Bala ka dyan. Uy,
Oh no!
buwis.
Ah!
Uliin mo na.
No! That was close.
Uliin mo na. Wow! Hindi ko ba maklap ang baboy?
Umalis ka na nga.
Bakit?
Para makalaro ako. Ayos. Para makatulog ako. Mag-iba ka ng world. Mamaya na lang.
Hindi, walang kitaan yan eh. Kuya, walang
Huwag ka na pupunta dito. Para pupunta ka.
Ayan o, hindi naman ako pumunta.
Ano ito? Chester Place MC.
Ha? Wala yan, bibisita yan. Wala na, tignan mo.
Comment down below what other video ideas.
Kasi alam niya may
Comment down below what videos ideas you wanna make. So, that it is. Like and subscribe. Let's make it 100 subscriber. 100 likes so I can vlog. Peace out. Bye.